Let's make homemade chocolate cake. Add 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder to a large bowl and whisk. Add 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of cooking oil, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and mix. Then slowly add 1 cup of hot water or coffee and mix. Add shortening or butter and flour to 9-inch round cake pans. Add an equal amount of batter to each pan. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack and cool another 10 to 20 minutes. Cover with plastic wrap and chill 30 minutes. Add 1 1/2 cups of softened butter and 1 cup of cocoa powder to a medium bowl and mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and slowly incorporate 5 cups of powdered sugar. Add up to 1/2 cup of milk a little at a time until you get your desired thickness. Add pieces of parchment paper to a cake pedestal, then put a dollop of frosting in the middle. Add the first layer of cake and frost it. Add the second layer of cake and frost the remaining cake. It frosts easier when the cake is cold. Slice and serve. Enjoy! Check out my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.